So when I first started bookkeeping, I thought that every single line in the books had to be perfect. Every cent had to be accounted for, every receipt perfectly matched. If I couldn't reconcile something right down to the penny, I would lose sleep over it. And while things being accounted for cent is usually the best case scenario. The reality is it's not always gonna play out that way. So over time, after working with real clients with real messy businesses, which is usually the case, and just real life situations, I stopped chasing perfection. And that's not because I stopped caring, but because I realized that perfection wasn't necessarily the goal when it came to bookkeeping. It was more so giving my clients clarity. The truth is, in small business bookkeeping, things are rarely ever completely clean cut. Sometimes receipts are missing. Sometimes business owners forget what a charge was for, or sometimes they'll buy dog food and swear that it was for the office pet. But you know what? Like that's just real life. So what I did was I shifted my perspective and I realized that what clients actually need from you isn't a perfect set of books, while that is ideal, but what they really need are books that just make sense, books that reflect the reality of their business and that help them make decisions and stay tax compliant. And really, that's it. So now instead of getting stuck on every tiny little discrepancy, I focus, or at least I try to focus on the big picture. Are the financials clean enough for my clients to understand their profit? Can they see where their money is going? Are they confident in what they're submitting when tax time comes around? And that's really what matters and what they're hiring me for. And guess what happened when I just let go of chasing perfection? I got faster, my clients were also happier, and I had just a lot less stress. I started building systems that worked with real life instead of against it. So if you're just starting out, or even if you've been doing this for years, this is your permission slip to let go of perfect. You don't need to be flawless. You just need to be clear, consistent, and focused on helping your clients move forward. That's what makes you a great bookkeeper.